I just flushed a partridge. What a nice day, guys. Sun shining, it's not too cold. It's in the 20s somewhere. Good day for a smudge in the woods. Got my partner in crime. What are you doing? What are you doing? You looking for that bird? You missed it. Where were ya? Where were you? That sunshine is beautiful. Alright, let's get our smudge going. Let's do it. Oh, I know. Look at that. I spread out that tarp and everything for her, and she's laying in the snow. It's almost like she's pouting. Sometime I'd like to get a wider angle lens. It'd be easier to fit everything in the frame. Such a nice day today. Don't want to spill my coffee water, that'd be sad. Getting there. Coffee water's ready. Smoke in my eyes. I forgot my spork. Oops. We'll stir our coffee savage style today. Such a nice day. I don't know about you guys, but I'm enjoying the extra daylight we've been getting lately. The increased daylight. It's really the worst part of winter for me. It's the lack of light. Oh, just right. So nice. Made some English muffins this morning. Hadn't made them for a while. Those were good. Jackson likes English muffins. This wouldn't have been a bad fishing day. It's a light breeze. Would have been kind of cold. But these bright sunny days are just awesome. After all that rain, the snow really settled and compacted in the woods. Made it easier walking. It's a lot easier to navigate the raspberry bushes this time of year. Come. What are you doing? What are you doing? You like snow all over your snout. Oh, that was good. Just what the doctor ordered. Coffee in the woods. A cure-all. Now look at you. Look at you. You got your snout all snowy. Oh, got your snout all snowy. Oh, beautiful dog. Yes, you are. That right there is why you always make sure your fire is completely out before you leave. I hadn't put it out yet, but while I was sitting there having my coffee, she kind of drowned it itself in that hole there, and I wouldn't have guessed it was going to flare up again, but there she is. Always, always make sure your fire is completely out before you leave. Only you can prevent forest fires and communism. But it's just so nice to be out here. Out in the woods, sun shining. Had a smudge, some coffee, my dog, birds chirping in the background. Nice day. Alright, well, I'm going to pack up, put this fire out, and probably go fold some laundry. I think we'll have corned beef and potatoes, some other veggies for supper tonight, so not bad. Just overall a good day. Got some work done. Got a little playtime in. Oh, so nice. It's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. Why can't every day just look good? Well, that wraps this one up, guys. So thanks for hanging out, and we'll catch you on the next one.